What is going on, YouTube? Back with another video again here on the channel. As you can see, the G82 is on jacks and jack stands, and both wheels are off. Now you might ask, what does that mean? That means the car is finally getting lowered. Isn't that right, bro?
Yep, we're finally touching it.
The car is finally getting the first modification. It's not gonna be a DUI video. It's gonna be more like keeping you guys updated throughout the process, because there's plenty of videos on YouTube showing you guys exactly how to do lowering springs on these cars.
This ain't Chris Fix. You want a DIY? Go watch this.
So yes, you guys, as you can see, both wheels are off. We are doing the CTS Turbo. Chose to go with this brand. Need a lot of great reviews on this brand.
So are these more aggressive than the H&R Super Sports that they sell? Are these drop lower?
The drop is a little bit lower, I think by like 0.2, something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the H&R is 1 inch drop, 1.3, something like that, and this is like 1.5, I believe. So it's not much difference, but I think the drop is lower overall. It is a stiffer spring than the stock springs. Not only should it make the car lower, but it should give it a better, overall drive, because the spring is a lot stiffer. Like I said, guys, we got the wheels off and we're gonna start the process right now. I'm gonna keep you guys updated throughout the process. So far, I took off all the plastic covers on the top. Took off the sensor right here. That's a dampening sensor. Removed all the brake lines, removed that. And now we're about to go ahead and remove this 19mm 12-point socket that holds the strut to the body of the car. I got this side of the strut tower down and out. We're gonna go ahead and remove this spring, this bump stop right there. We have the new ones right here. About to drop them in. All right, you guys, so we got this side fitted up, and everything is back intact. All the wires are back in the spot where it's supposed to be at. This side is completed, and this side we just pulled it out. We're gonna get ready to swap the springs on now. All right, y'all, so it's been a few days after that last clip. This is how the car is sitting. I drove it for a few days, and this is what it's sitting like now. So let me know how you guys feel about the CTS Turbo lowering springs. I like them personally, and they're doing just fine for me so far. I've been driving the car for a couple of days so far, and I haven't noticed any different. The suspension is different, and the handling feeling a lot better. Like always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like down below, leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about how the car is sitting now. Thank you.